Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanisha Renee, and before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button in your right hand corner, and then go ahead and hit that bell button so you won't miss when I make a new upload. And let's go ahead and jump into this video. We're going to do a quick professional or everyday look for work. I know that they have it for school, but school is different from work. We're going to go ahead and start with foundation. Before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face, and I'm going to use this almond oil just so that I have dry skin. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face. I'm going to go ahead and use the Pore Professional's Benefit Primer. I'm just going to apply that to my T-zone. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender just to smooth out any brush strokes that may be there. Then I'm going to take this Black Radiance contour stick and this LA Pro Girl Conceal High Definition Concealer to highlight under my eye and contour my cheek. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with my beauty sponge. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and set my face. I'm going to use this e.l.f. Mist and Set. Then I'm going to highlight using this Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this Wet n Wild highlighting powder, and I've used this a couple of times on my channel already. So the face is done. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I'm going to go ahead and use Better Than Sex mascara to help just darken up my eyebrow. Then I'm going to go ahead and use that Smashbox Ablaze palette. Then I'm going to dip into this brick color, which is Nirvana, and dust that all over the lid. Then I'm going to dip into this darker color, and I'm just going to apply that to the crease. Then I'm going to take this bronzy color, and that is Torch. And I'm just going to apply that all over the lid with a flat packing brush. To highlight the inner corner, I'm just going to dip into that Wet n Wild palette, and I'm going to use a little pencil brush and just do my inner corner. And I'm going to apply mascara to my lashes. After that, I'm going to take this black Radiance liquid eyeliner and I'm just going to apply it to the shape of my eye. I'm not going to wing it out. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. And because this is just a basic professional everyday look, I'm going to use the Reese's Pieces chapstick to go ahead and just add some moisture to the center of my lips. So this is the finished look, and I'll be back to show you the finished overall look. So guys, this is the finished look and I really hope you like it. This is basically, you know, something that you can do, look kind of professional, look a little bit updone, not too simmered down. You got your highlight, but you're not doing the most. And it's soft glam. You only applied a Reese's cup chapstick to your lips and just a little bit of lip liner, and that pretty much just took your lip from basic to a little bit done, but you're not overdoing it because you didn't add like a lip color really. So this is the finished look and I really hope you guys like it. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up this video if you liked it, and I will see you guys hopefully watching me in the next video.